چھاروی Yegdi is a 25-year-old Turkmen student studying in Shanxi University in North China's Shanxi province. Yegdi said he chose to continue his study in China because of his great interest in the country.
I was also really interested about China, and because I've been watching so many movies like from the legends like Bruce Lee, Cheng Long, like Jackie Chan and Jet Li, and I was wondering like the China is still like they still have like all the houses. I was wondering to see this wonderful country and meet these people, to know about them, to know about their culture, about their tradition.
In China, what impressed Yegdi most is the hardworking Chinese people.
About Chinese people are really, really hardworking people. Like, they're really dedicated. And these all success, no matter financial success, no matter economy success, no matter technology success, every successes that they achieved by all their dedication, by all their hard work, by all their support to each other, and cooperation at work with the colleagues.
Yegdi has been staying in China for 7 years. He likes Chinese food, which he'll miss even after going back home.
If I stay in my country for a long time, like we say for like maybe 10, 15 days or 20 days or maybe a month, I start to miss Chinese food. Now, if I don't eat noodles like once in a week, I feel like, oh, something is missing.
Yegdi said he wants to live and work in China after graduation.
By the time I get to know about Chinese people, I get to know more about the Chinese culture, the society, the lifestyle, the food, everything. I already get used to it. So for me, it was like I get used to this society, this country, this lifestyle, to the people and everything, which is I also really like.